Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. See all you can see. Go all that you can go, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while.
Okay, this is Avenida de Longevidade. So we're just gonna explore, kind of check this out, show you what it looks like. We're gonna go all the way down to this tall buildings. So you can see them way up there, like stacked up on each other. That's at the end of the road. So we're gonna explore. Avenida de Longevity in English. We got a slice of Macau for you. This one is Avenida Longevity Avenue in English. We're gonna walk down kind of a long street. It's near the border as well. I don't know if I filmed this one all in its entirety, but I will be showing you in this one. So there's lots of tall buildings. You're gonna get a good feel of it yourself, and I'm gonna take you there as if you're there yourself. Let's do it. Slice of Macau. Okay, we're in an area called Aonhon, so we're just gonna be walking by. There's a lot of tall buildings in here, but we're gonna be going down this way. Let's just kind of explore. So this is not too far from the border. One of the things about this particular area is you got these big pillars, and it's we're gonna look down the alley in a second. Trees kind of get in the way of this particular sidewalk. But you got pillars right in the middle, and you got trees as well. So we're gonna take a look down this alley in a moment. Here we are. So there's these giant alleys, pillars. Looks kind of interesting, right? So this Aonhon area, it's kind of like, it's not the traditional historical Portuguese neighborhood. So this whole neighborhood would have came out much later. So this would have been some of this was on reclaimed land up on this area. There used to be a small peninsula that would connect Portugal, where Ireland was Portuguese, and then the northern part was always Chinese, and then there was kind of a peninsula. So some of this is actually on reclaimed land too. The way some of these buildings look, there probably is in a spot with reclaimed land, because it's kind of a big grid, you know, as opposed to the organic of the natural way that the cities come together. It's kind of interesting, these little things in here. Let me see if we can run across. I don't know if we can or not. Yeah, we can. So in these little alleys also have shops in them too. I forget the name of this. But they're kind of interesting to walk and explore as well. And you have businesses in them. And I'm not going to do it right now because our street is long enough already. But it is kind of an interesting street to explore. Those little alleys, I mean. But we're gonna walk up to we're gonna stay on Longevity. I think this red building, can't recall, it might be a fire department. We got some food choices up here too. Yeah, we're very close to the border. I think some people are running across. We might be able to run across. We better wait. So we'll have to wait for these cars. We're gonna go down that way in a moment. Because we should kind of show you. Probably should cut this part out, but we're gonna sneak across in a moment, and we're gonna go all the way down that way. We're getting kind of close to the border if we go down in that direction. Okay. Still have a red light, but everybody's crossing it right now. Some eggs and some durian. I'm not sure. There's some big onions, tomatoes. I don't know what that is. Eggplant? I don't know. Fresh pork. So yeah, we're in the northern part of Macau. Macau is a city of 600,000 people, maybe 650,000 now. More vegetables. So like chicken and... let's see what these are. I think these are Chinese medicine. It's pretty good. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a basketball team that's in Macau now. It's called the Macau Black Bears. So you can see some of the people. I think it's the Black Bears. Or no, it's Boston. There's actually a basketball team now in Macau called the Black Bears. They play teams in China, but I think this particular one is something different. This is a gambling one, so I guess they're gambling for sports. And I think they're also having some NBA basketball. Oh yeah, lottery. So I don't know if you can bet on sports here or not. Maybe. Well, they also have basketball in Macau now too, so they're bringing in teams from the NBA. They signed a contract to do that. Okay, keep hitting all the red lights here. Let's keep on going down Ayon Home neighborhood. That sign, we're crossing streets that say Ayon. Let's go across this way. So we're still in our Longevidade. Longevidade. That's the kind of cool stuff up here. Like little snacks. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. You see, pretty close to the border. Yeah, these two buildings, I don't know what these are all about, but they're just so massive that they're actually quite mesmerizing to look at. And another thing up here, I often see chairs around these pillars. It's pretty common in this whole area. So let's keep on going down. It's a little slice of Macau. There's those giant buildings again. So mesmerizing. Really hitting the red lights here. This is the Church of St. Joseph Operario. Let's take a look. Have to keep hitting all the red lights. All these chairs right here, right? The chairs look kind of cool. Okay. That's good too. Very photogenic. So, to keep hitting all the red lights. Check out how colorful that is though. With the yellows and the blues. All cages that go all the way up. It must be like 25 stories. Okay, still waiting. So now we can check out this church. So Church of St. Joseph Operario. So I don't know the Operario. Okay. So we're not too far from the border now. Quite close actually. actually, there's all these little things inside. So if you go in, you can go inside these big buildings everywhere as well. Got a guy following me, so we're just kind of seeing what he's following me for. Meat fresh. That's kind of a good play on words. It's like a Japanese place right there. We're still on our Avenida de Longevidade. That's the guy that was following me a little bit. So we're almost at the green light and we have to wait for at another spot here, so we'll just kind of wait and see. Been hitting all the red lights. I guess we'll go down this way. Let's check out this fresh meat. Meat fresh. Teas, treats, and desserts. Let me just kind of see what they got here. Best sellers. So we're still waiting for our lights constantly here. We're at the Moradores School of Macau. This whole area is kind of interesting because you got all these tall buildings, including the ones that we're next to. But even down there, we're quite close to the border. So there's kind of a demand, I think, to possibly live near the border. Or they'll do business at the border as well. I think I could probably sneak across now. Okay. Got these tall buildings, eh? Longevidade. It's kind of a long street to walk down. I don't think I've walked it all the way from end to end before. I don't know which side would be more interesting, this one or that one. But yeah, straight ahead is Zhuhai. So some of those buildings, like the ones that are right to the left and right, are definitely Macau. But if you go straight ahead, there's a border. And those buildings that are, you can see like a little overpass down the way. Those are actually in Zhuhai, China. Let me see. Then the border, you basically go down and that way. Just kind of hit every single light in this area. Little gacha stations. These are popular with kids. Those little toys, you just put your coins in them. Okay, one of those tall buildings like that. Almost at the end here. Beef burger. Look how big these are. I don't know who would eat that. For me, I usually avoid any burgers. Like I can eat hamburgers, of course. There's a street name right there. But usually in Macau anyways, they have some burger chains that are kind of well known and they're kind of more local, but they usually put a lot of sauce in them and the burgers are usually kind of tall like that. So they're, for me, they're messy. I don't really like it when it's so messy like that. All those tall buildings again. Tall buildings. Okay. So we're going to be finishing at the end of Longevidade in a moment. Then you get an idea of this particular street in Macau. You see those little things? Those are ubiquitous. They're everywhere in Macau. They're like little shrines. Let's see what this is. Looks like got some little restaurant there. Then yep, this will be the end of the street. And you can see that overpass, that's just an overpass that takes people away from the border or to the border. And then straight ahead is the train station. I believe that's the train station right there, I think. Or no, that's not. But it's definitely Zhuhai. The train station is down over that way, I think. But yeah, the border would be like right over there. So now you just got to see Longevidade. We'll end our video.
Mama, mama, cow.